Okay, General reporting for a Monday afternoon. Got the empty box of Chop Chop. Got the full box of Chop Chop. Got the juicing. Got the Siggy. Got the Siggies. Got the juicing. Got Spanish news and European news, English news and Spanish news reporting Spain. English news reporting problems in Spain. On SBS, on the TV. Got the skaters, got the helmets, got the goggles collection. Got no silver Dubai ring, but we're getting a new silver ring of Islamic Brotherhood in the next few weeks or something. Got new watches. Got new watches. Got a laptop on the bed. Wicked laptop on the bed. Got a wicked Ultimate Ears Wonder Boom speaker. Wicked Wonder Boom speaker. Got a Siggy. Got the Siggies. Jittles all tucked in. Nice and snug on a cold Monday afternoon. Jedi's room is now spick and span. Jedi's Rosie, Senator Gaia just came around the house and cleaned everything spotless. Bought her out new blankets, new Duna cover, new blanket cover, new pillow cover. We washed all my old clothes, old blankets, washed the blue one, washed the red one, washed some towels, washed some clothes, cleaned up all around the whole house, new bath mat, new blankets, new blanket covers, new design, new pillow covers. Washed all the blankets and heaps of clothes. All cool. Jedi's room, his fabulous $1 million studio apartment house, is looking clean and nice and correct and nice and clean. The kitchen's clean. There's not much dishes in the dishes. Most of the dishes are already clean in the sink. And they're in the basket, and most of the dishes are already clean. There's only a couple of dishes in the sink. No, the kitchen's clean, everything's clean. It's all nice. Got that blanket hanging out there in the rain. Let the rain clean it, and this is let it get nice and clean up. Oh, nice view out the view. Nice view out the top. Double-story house, trees. All cool. Now the Spanish news is still on TV on the English news. English news covering Spanish situations. All cool. Jill's house is clean as. Jill's got lovely. Jill's got clover green. Green clover. 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 Jill's got some green clover. He's got some green clover in his there, in that bag there. And he's got some old love play in that bag there. The old love play doesn't have any effect. The green clover gets you so intoxicated, the magic is possible. Green clover, all cool.